This tutorial will demonstrate how teachers and course designers can edit the material settings for Savvas content added into Schoology. To edit the settings of an assignment, choose the gear box, then choose Edit. The first option is to modify how many points an assignment is worth. Once this is modified in Schoology, Realize will automatically convert the score to match the point value for the assignment in Schoology. Be mindful that Savvas Realize will always show the grade as a percentage. However, the grade reported to Schoology will convert to the point value designated by the teacher. This is also important when setting the scale. Teachers can change the scale as desired. The grade will be converted to whatever scale is designated by the teacher in Schoology. The next option is the due date. Once this is set in Schoology, Realize will synchronize the due date. After the due date has passed, any student submissions will be marked as past due in Realize. The final option is the category. By default, Schoology will always set the category to ungraded. Although the category is set to ungraded, Realize will still record student assignment grades, just in case this category is mistakenly chosen. Teachers can change the category in order for the grades to display in the Schoology Gradebook. Be mindful that any assignment with the category ungraded will not show in the Schoology Gradebook. Teachers must select another category to display the grades in the Schoology Gradebook. Once all changes have been made, choose Save Changes. The due date will appear directly under the assignment name. The Gradebook will show the assignment with the point value, scale, due date, and category selected.